In life, we all want to become something. We all want to achieve greatness, to prove to ourselves and to the world that our existence has meaning. Many people spend hours watching motivational videos, reading books, and listening to inspiring speeches. For a while, they feel unstoppable, ready to conquer the world. But then, reality comes back. They lose energy, they lose consistency, and they fall into the same old habits. Why does this happen? Because motivation alone cannot build your future. It is like a spark. It lights you up for a moment, but disappears quickly. What you truly need is discipline. Until you bring discipline into your life, no amount of motivation will truly change you. If you don't fully understand this, listen carefully to today's story. I promise, if you absorb its message, it can change your life forever. In a small town, there lived a boy named Ethan. He had a big dream. He wanted to do something great, something that would make his life meaningful. Every day, he watched motivational videos, read success stories, and repeated to himself, "Tomorrow I'll study hard. Tomorrow I'll change my life." Just the thought of becoming successful made him excited. But his excitement never lasted. After a few days, he would return to his old lazy habits, sleeping late, wasting time, making excuses. Each failure left him frustrated and empty inside. One afternoon, while walking through the market, Ethan met his friend Ben. Unlike Ethan, Ben seemed calm, focused, and full of energy. He woke up early, followed a strict routine, studied on time, and kept improving little by little, every single day. Ethan finally asked, "Ben, how do you do it? How do you stay so motivated all the time?" Ben smiled and said, "I don't rely on motivation, Ethan. I rely on discipline." Ethan looked confused. "But isn't motivation the key to success?" Ben shook his head. "Come with me tomorrow morning to the riverside. I'll show you something." The next morning, before sunrise, Ethan followed Ben to the river. There, an old fisherman was sitting, his face wrinkled with age, but his eyes sharp and wise. Ben greeted him warmly. "Grandpa, could you share that story about discipline with my friend?" The fisherman nodded, pointed at the flowing river and said, "I come here every single day at this time. Whether it rains, storms, or the sun burns my skin, I throw my net into the water. Some days I catch plenty, some days only a few, and some days nothing at all. But still, I never stop coming." Ethan asked, "Why do you keep doing it if you don't always get results?" The fisherman smiled. "Because this is my duty. If I only came when I felt motivated, I would have given up long ago. If I waited for perfect weather, my family would starve. Motivation comes and goes. Discipline stays." He then pointed at a tall bamboo tree nearby. "Do you know the story of the bamboo tree?" Ethan shook his head. The fisherman continued, "A farmer planted bamboo seeds. Every day he watered them, cared for them, gave them sunlight. 1 year passed, nothing. 2 years, still nothing. People laughed at him. 3 years, 4 years, still no result. But the farmer never gave up. Then, in the 5th year, suddenly, the bamboo shot up 90 feet in just 6 weeks. Do you know why?" Ethan's eyes widened. "Because all those years, the roots were growing underground. They were preparing for something bigger. Without those strong roots, the bamboo would have collapsed. Discipline works the same way. You may not see results at first, But deep inside, you are building strength, character, and resilience. And when the time comes, you will rise so high that no one can stop you. For the first time, Ethan understood. He realized he had been chasing quick results, waiting for motivation to carry him forward. But what he needed was patience, routine, and discipline. From that day, Ethan made a choice. He created a daily routine. He studied even when he was tired, exercised even when he was lazy, and woke up early even when he wanted to sleep. Days turned into weeks, weeks into months, and months into years. Slowly but surely he transformed. Ethan became one of the most respected people in his town, admired for his success and his consistency. And whenever people asked him, "What's your secret to success?" Ethan smiled and replied, "Motivation may inspire you, but it's discipline that builds you." Success is not about doing something huge once. It's about doing small things correctly every single day. Discipline is waking up when you don't want to, working when you feel tired, and continuing even when no one is watching. Motivation will light the fire, but only discipline will keep it burning. So remember this: don't wait for the perfect time, because it will never come. Don't wait for motivation, because it will fade. Start where you are, with what you have, and do what you can. Every single day. Success is not a miracle. Success is the result of your habits. The truth is simple. Discipline is the bridge between dreams and reality. If you stay disciplined, you will rise, you will grow, and one day you will look back proudly and say, "I built this life with my own hands." And that, my friend, is the real secret of success. So ask yourself, will you wait for motivation, or will you build discipline? Will you keep dreaming, or will you start doing? Because the world doesn't remember people who only dreamed. It remembers those who had the courage to stay consistent, no matter what. If this story gave you value, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, and share this video with someone who needs to hear it today. Together, let's spread discipline, not just motivation.